Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and today I'm going to be going over Section 8, Algebraic Translations, and this is page 13 of your summer workbook. Now, you learned these in your class this year, but it's going to be really important that as we move into algebra that we're able to turn math words into operation symbols. So you're going to need to feel comfortable with all these keywords for translations. I'm going to pick a couple that are a little bit more common. So with add, you're going to see more than a lot. So we want to feel really comfortable with more than means add. Sum means add. With subtract, I'm going to point out less than, difference, minus. When it gets to multiplication, we've got to be really comfortable with per. Per means to multiply. For every, for each. Of means to multiply. Times, twice means to multiply by 2. To double something, you're multiplying by 2. Going through all of these words, really feeling comfortable is going to be important. Quotient means to divide. Split equally is telling me to divide. Then you'll get into your inequalities, the less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. When we're talking about a variable, it means that we might see the word a number. It means a variable, some number, a quantity. And equals. Equals is really important for me. Equals, anytime I see equals, I'm thinking it means is the same as. Equals means is the same as. So I want you to feel comfortable with all of these different translations. And what we're going to do in this section is we're going to translate some words into expressions or equations, okay? All right, so here we've got 3 less than 5 times a number. Well, less than for me, I want you to always remember, I call it a flip it around word. A flip it around word. And why do I do that? Well, because when it says 3 less than, I'm going to flip the 3 to the other side. And here's what I mean. 3 less than 5 times some number. Okay, so my some number, I'm going to call it n because I like to call n my numbers, okay? So 5 times a number is 5n. 3 less than that, look, we flip it around and we put minus 3. So that 3 that started in the beginning got flipped to the back. So 5n minus 3 would be this mathematical expression. Let's look at another. 3 less than 5 times some number. Oh, it's missing. The word times is missing here. So let's add that. 3 less than 5 times some number is 22. Okay, so my some number is n. 5 times it means 5n. Is means equal. So I know something is going to equal 22. But there's that 3 less than again. So less than means I got to flip this around and put it in the back. So 5n minus 3 equals 22. All right, let's try a little harder. We're going to translate the quotient of a number and negative 4 less 8 is negative 42. So this one's a little confusing. The quotient of a number and 4, negative 4. So that would be n over negative 4 less 8. It doesn't say less than. It says less 8, which means minus 8. Is means equals negative 42. All right, you want to break them down word by word. The only one that changes things really is that less than. It gets flipped around. But everything else, you're going to read it directly as it's written. All right, so here's one. 4 plus 3 times a number is less than or equal to 18. Okay, so this isn't the less than, just the plain old less than. This is less than or equal to. So this is an inequality. So 4 plus 3 times a number is less than or equal to 18. Okay? So I can see that is less than or equal to is less than or equal to. I'm using that inequality symbol. So now we have a mathematical expression that is an inequality. All right, so hopefully that was a nice quick reminder. I want you to try these problems. And again, if you need any more help with this or you need some extra support, please let me know. Have a great day.